page number 8, question number 11. Here, a semicircular plate of 80 mm diameter has its straight edge is in the VP, inclined at 45 to HP. The surface of the plates makes an angle of 30 with VP. Draw its projections. See, remember that already I given the data that one, the surface of the plate makes an angle 30 with VP. 30 with VP means inclined to VP. In this case, first you want to draw front view. Next you draw top view. Next implement angle pi. Next you want to draw final front view. So in this way you want to follow the sequence of steps you want to follow. Nothing but here you want to draw semicircle. Then this is the line. Make increment the angle. Then this is ellipse. Sorry, what is that? Semicircle means semicircular ellipse you want to get it. So that's why here first you want to draw the XY line. Why? Because once the plane makes angle 30 with VP, you want to assume that the plane is parallel to VP. Once plane is parallel to VP, you want to get front view gives the true shape. Front view means semicircular. How to draw semicircle? Straight edge is in the VP. Once the straight edge is in the VP, that edge must be perpendicular in HP. That's why here, 80 mm diameter. So that's why I want to take 4 mm diameter. Why? Because I want to take scale is 1:2. So that's why I want to take this is 4. Straight edge. This is center. By using compass, so this is the semicircular plate. See, here I want to use scale is 1:2. Nothing but what are the dimensions they are given. I want to take off only. That's why diameter is 80. That's why I am going to take diameter is 40. So here you can divide the semicircle into see, only 2 plus 2, 4 parts. Already in the previous case I want to take 8 parts circle, but here they take only 4 parts. So that's why take angle 45, draw a line. Next take angle 45, draw a line. So this is center O dash. This is first division, second division, third division, fourth division and fifth division. So this total length is 80. So diameter is 80. Diameter is 80. Once here straight edge is in the VP, that's why its top view is on XY. So its top view is on XY. So top view is on XY. So this point is 1, 5. This is 2, 4. This point is 3. This is center also same. So here after that it is inclined 45. The surface of the plate makes angle 30 with VP. So give some gap. It makes angle 30. So this is the angle 30. So how much this one length is there? Same length you want to consider upon this line. Same length only. Plus how much gap in between them? Same gap you want to maintain here. So that's why upon this line. Why? Because that is the change of position. This position is changed to this angle. So this is 1, 5. This is 2, 4. This is 3. After that you want to extend the projectors. 1, 2, 3. After that, draw vectors, horizontal vectors. Now you got the points. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 3, and this is 4, this is 5. That's why here like curvature, you want to join them. So this semicircle is converted, this type of this change of semicircle. So this is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, and 0 dash. But the straight edge is inclined 45 to HP. So give some gap. How much gap? 1 or 2 centimeter gap. Again, you want to draw 45 degrees inclined line. This angle is 45 degrees inclined line. Upon this inclined line, here, how much length? Here, this is same length. Here, anywhere you want to produce it. After that, how much gap you want to maintain? In this way, you want to put the points. Now, this is center. So, O dash is center. So, O dash is center. So, this is O dash, this is 5 dash, and this is 1 dash. Here, at 2, at this point, draw how much vertical, and draw how much vertical. By using compass, simply compare the distance and transfer here how much gap is there. At O dash, how much gap is here? Gap here, same gap produced here. Next, here, how much gap is there? Same gap produced here. By using these points, now you want to join nothing but